video, big thumbs up. So let's get straight onto the video. Okay, so here are the instructions. Well, here are like the ingredients. Hold on. So I'll be right back, everybody. So, half cup of cornstarch, 1 cup baking soda, 3/4 cup of water. Bake at 175 Fahrenheit for about an hour. That's our thing. Okay. Ella, coming. Okay. So, the first one, we're gonna pull out our I'm mixer. Ella, do you want to pour the first thing? Okay. The first thing is half cup cornstarch. So cornstarch. This is cornstarch. Cup. Okay. Hey, wait for it. Oh, you're good. Okay, hold that. Okay, this is. Oh my gosh, Brooklyn. Really? Oh my gosh. Pour this in. How do you get this mixer off? Okay, that's it. Okay, so that's half a cup. Anyway, and I needed to, guys, let's wash our hands. I don't have to. I'm not. Okay. Ella! You're wiping it onto the floor. Ella! We'll clean it out. It's fine. Baking gets messy. Okay, pour this into the mixer. Okay, put this over here. Kenzie, you get to pour in 1 cup baking soda. Okay, now I'm going to not be messy. Slightly pour that in. I guess it's getting a little messy, which I don't really care. Anyways, we need that for the dough so it won't stick. So let's spread it. I'm going to play with this cornstarch. The cornstarch. Oh, why don't I just take up like step one so it doesn't get dirty? I haven't had dirt in this yet. So right now we're pouring 1 cup of baking soda. My turn to clean up our mess. Pour that in. I was cleaning up our mess. Wow. Okay. Next, we're gonna need 3/4 cup of water. So I'll do that one. It doesn't have to be warm. It doesn't have to be cold. It doesn't have to be hot. It can be any. Right, guys? Any water. It feels weird. Okay, pour the 3/4 of water in. Now, hold on. Okay. But you do not want it burning hot, right? Okay, Brooklyn? Yeah. Oh, so I plugged. Let's put this down. Oh, we didn't put the mixer in. What the heck are you thinking? I put my baking soda in there. No, put my baking soda in there. No, this. No, I did lock it down. We're gonna lock it up so it can't go up. That's an important step. We're gonna start going at. It feels so weird. This is my stool. It feels so weird to feel like rub it, right? I love my nose. I just love it. So I guess this is my pile. You got to make your own. I guess I eat my cornstarch right now. It is so amazing. Yeah, I love it. We should add this to our play sign. Oh yeah, make sure to go check out our other video. How to decorate a cookie with like our elf did, Ella did, and we will show you how to make cookies after that video. Make sure to go check that out. A little messy, but that's alright. I think that's good, Brooklyn. A little bit longer. So guys, remember, if your parents don't allow like giant messes, then don't do this because this can make a little bit of a mess. Yeah, but our parents said we could. Let's go clean it up. Nope, the parents have to help. This is going to take for hours and hours. That's all day. Nope. 3 hours. 2 days in the morning. Okay. We need a trusty man to check it. Now that's all mixed in liquid and nothing is in it except for all of its ingredients, we're going to stir it on the stove at medium heat until it looks like mashed potatoes. Thick mashed potatoes. So let's pour. Ah! What did we make? It looks a lot like milk. Milky Way. It does not look like a Milky Way. Looks like it's actually kind of forming like dough right there. So right now. So you might want to love me. Right now? She's weird. Okay. Now let's put it on and cook it for an hour. I'm starting to clean up the kitchen right now, so we don't have a ding ding a ling a ling.
Why don't you get a spoon to stir it?
Okay, I'm going to get a spoon. Wait, which one's medium? 5?
5.
Excuse me. Okay, and set that. Look, the kitchen. Oh, the table is over. Oh yeah. Can I? Wait, no. Let's use a big one. Can I? Let's use a big one. That's dough right there. Okay, Ella. Here we go. No, these are the big ones. These are the big ones. I got a big spoon for me. Oh my gosh. I feel. No, it's my spoon. It's sorry.
Okay, we'll be back when it's thick.
We'll be back when it's thick. So this is what it looks like after it got off the stove. We cooked it until it started getting thick and fluffy like mashed potatoes. It is hot. So we're going to wait for 30 minutes to let it cool down. We'll see you after. So we also now have a special guest, our little sister, Hayden. So now that we've waited 30 minutes, now it's colder, not very hot. 15. Yeah, because. And we just took a quick break to eat some lunch. Now we're going to roll it out with our rolling pin and choose out one of these Christmas cookie cutters and then put them on the baking sheet and stick them in the oven for about an hour. So, we'll show you the process.
And what's the temperature in the oven?
175 degrees.
Okay.
So, Ella is doing a candy cane. I am probably going to do like a skinny thing. No, I'm going to need click it down. I know. Now, tear off the back. I like to mold it in the middle. Okay. Take off the
Kenzie, baby, this is probably a little too thin.
Okay. I'll touch that. Redo it. I messed up, Emma. Here is Ella's candy cane. Now I will try another one. Is that okay? Okay. Next, I'll tell you guys to grab their artwork and put it on there. Okay? Hayden, do you want me next? Yeah. Or can I? Oh, I'm still working. Okay, let everyone do one first, okay, before you do another. Sorry, I already spread it up. No, I want to do it. Okay, roll it out. I'm just playing with this one. Do you want help? So here is my head. Almost have my. Okay, which one? I almost need a little bit more snowflake. But this is how it really turned out. Hayden chose a snowflake. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm gonna do, can I have the rolling pin? Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, Kenzie's gonna do hers. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna break it. No, Mackenzie. Lift it up. Now I can play the rest of the dough I have right here. Okay, lift it up, Hayden. Now we're gonna seal all the ones that kind of got cracked. Don't do it. Ding it, ding it, ding. And now let's ding it, and we can probably make this into Play-Doh, you guys. Only if you do it. I want to do the Christmas tree, if our mom does. Okay? And we can eat it. Then I'm just going to do the gingerbread man. Is it good?
Bam, 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 bam.
Yeah, you could try it. It's edible, so. I don't like it. So don't actually eat this. It tastes disgusting. But it is edible. Ew. Ready to restart because it kind of got broken. It's really disgusting to eat, but it's very like Play-Doh. It is really squishy. It is not as stretchy. And it is very not good to eat. Not good to be edible. What? I wish I could add glue to this.
No.
I'm kidding. No. And then you ate it. Really funny.
Don't bite your toes.
This is sort of edible. Do you guys like? It's all
disgusting.
If you like cornstarch, baking soda, and water all mixed together, then this is the perfect thing for you to eat. Yeah. Only if there's sugar in there, because it tastes disgusting. Who cares? I don't know my head. Young ginger. Off with the head. Off with their head. Okay. Put that. This is so sketchy. I'm bringing up close. Okay. I need a rolling pin. That's so cute. Don't mess up this time. I want it too thick. That's the dude. I need too thick. Yeah, I need thick. I need it thick. Okay, thick is at your So we wrote our names or initials on these. So now it's just time to put it in the oven.
Oh, and remind them to do a hole so they can hear
Oh,
you.
also, before you put it in,
This will happen.
make a hole
You can give
so
me
you can
yours,
put
and
like a string
You get more.
or something
You
to
get
put it through to hang on the tree. So also you need some ornaments. Let's put on some Christmas ones.
And I got mine.
I love my owl.
And there's your brother.
And there's
Can you put
brother.
my owl on there?
Your owl? Yeah.
Very, very cute, buddy.
Okay. Well, hey, let's write
I
a
need my
J.
name.
You guys
What?
No, just do a
right
J. And then we're gonna make a hole.
Can you
First,
tell them our elf's name?
our elf's name right here is Kevin. And he threw Ella's, well, he put down Ella's cookie because he's like, nah, I want an ornament.
And we're just using the holder that came on the cookie cutters to punch a hole in the top of those so we can hang them.
Yep, just this.
Yep. Okay,
And
ready?
it could connect.
In we go. 175 for 1 hour.
Everyone back up. Oh, and we got a purple oven.
Yes, we do.
Jump, Penny.
Penny?
Thank you.
Okay, here we go.
1 hour. Set timer.
Those are dirty.
Penny.
Hey, Ella, guess what?
What?
I think your ornaments are done. You want to go check?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to take them out. 1 second.
So, we just barely took them out of the oven, and this Christmas tree is kind of ruined for a second. And you can paint them or you can leave them just like this. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. See you later. Anyways, the girls are in here right now.